Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back. Today I'm doing a follow-up video to a video that I did a year ago. A year ago, I unboxed a traveling carry-on backpack from Nordace, and I am here a year later reporting on how it's been, how it held up, my thoughts and feelings on it, and I want to show you what the bag looks like a year later. So a year ago, I was in the market looking for a backpack that I can use as my carry-on for traveling, that I can have all my essentials in there. So I didn't want to spend a fortune, and I kept seeing this backpack from Nordace, the Siena Backpack, and I just thought it was perfect. I was intrigued of the amount of things that they can fit into that backpack when they show you the commercials. It's very reasonably priced and exactly what I needed. So if you want to see the full video of the unboxing, I can have it linked right here and down below, so definitely check it out. But a year ago, I was in the market because I wanted to get myself a carry-on backpack. I was tired of all the little bags, crossbody bags, tote bags. I was just over it. I wanted something on my shoulders, comfortable with the kids, free hands, and I found Nordace, and I really loved their Siena backpack, and that is the one that I went with. So let me show you the bag. So here is the bag. I've probably used it on, I want to say, 5 to 6 flights and a few road trips, and it still looks great. I really don't see much wear and tear. All the zippers are still working perfectly. All the pockets, nothing has ripped, nothing at all. Everything still looks good. The straps still look perfect. Nothing is coming apart. Even the leather strap over here, everything is still good, still intact. So everything is still perfect. So my thoughts on this backpack. So it's definitely well made, and I do like it a lot. I like that it has different compartments. I like that you could hook your keys up. There's little pockets here. There's pockets on this side. This front pocket, it doesn't connect, so you have one on each side. The room inside the main pocket is really roomy. You could definitely fit a lot in there, and it also has some great organizational pockets. Like you have this see-through pocket, you have this one, you have 2 smaller ones, and then on this side you have 2 more. And then if you are packing like packing cubes, this has enough width at the bottom that you could very comfortably put in a packing cube or 2. And of course it has this pocket for your laptop. It is so well made. The padding is really good, and I really like it. So this is the Siena backpack from Nordace. This is the original size. It was $109 when I purchased it, and it was free shipping. I also forgot to show you this little pocket in the back right here, and then it has the trolley sleeve. It also has this little strap. You could hang it, but if it's fully loaded, fully packed to the brim, I don't know how this would hold up, to be honest, but I've never really hung it like that, so, you know. Okay, so my thoughts. I know this is the style of the backpack, and it's more of a rectangle, square kind of shape. When it's completely packed, it does have a very boxy shape to it, and now I knew coming in that that's what it's gonna look like, but you know, like when it's like this, it just doesn't look so boxy. But when you really pack it up and everything expands, it's like a brick. It's like a brick. So does that bother me? Not really. Sometimes I feel like I wanted maybe more of like a regular backpack where, you know, it's almost like a tear shape kind of backpack. I don't know. So that's like one thing that, you know, kind of bothers me a little bit about the backpack. Now it does have the trolley sleeve, though if it's really packed, because the strap is not very wide, it doesn't stand up really good. Like it'll try to tip over your luggage. It'll try to like lean forward. So if this strap was a little bit thicker, wider, I should say, I think that would have been a lot better. The straps are great. They're really well made and very padded, which I do like. So there's not much to say. I mean, it's a great backpack. I do like it a lot. I don't think I would get it bigger. I feel like if it was any bigger, like it would look like a full carry-on suitcase on your shoulders, like, you know what I mean? But I'm very happy. Like I'm telling you, all the zippers, everything works great. Zippers are very important to me. All these little leather handles, everything is fine. I've enjoyed using it. I think it works well for me. And I'm going to continue using it. And I know that they came out with some cute colors. So I'm definitely considering maybe treating myself for the holidays, or maybe when they have like a Black Friday sale, because I think the backpack is like $129, and then when you catch it on sale, which they have sales all the time, you can get it for a little bit less expensive. So I hope this was helpful. I do approve. Great backpack. Absolutely nothing wrong with it after a year. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.